Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce renovation permit costs with UrbanFuturism, detailed guide step by step clearly. Understanding renovation permits is crucial for any project. The first step is to research the specific requirements for your area. Each municipality has its own set of regulations and paperwork. Visit your local government's website or planning department for comprehensive information. Next, compile a list of the necessary documents. Common requirements may include site plans, architectural drawings, and project descriptions. Organize these documents carefully, as completeness can save time and money. Consider consulting with a professional architect or contractor. Their expertise can help you navigate complexities and avoid common pitfalls. If you can, engage in pre-application meetings with your local planners. This can provide valuable insights and early feedback on your project. Next, explore any available fee waivers or reductions. Some areas offer discounts for projects that meet specific criteria, such as sustainability targets. Then, assess the timing of your application. Submitting applications during off-peak times can often result in faster processing. Prepare for possible revisions or additional requests from the city. Being proactive can minimize delays and additional costs. Look into online applications if your municipality offers them. These platforms can streamline the submission process and help avoid clerical errors. Once your application is submitted, track its progress. Regular follow-ups can ensure it stays on the radar of planning officials. If applicable, seek community support for your renovation. Letters of support from neighbors can positively influence your application. When approved, review the permit thoroughly to understand all requirements. Ensure compliance to avoid any future fees or fines. Finally, keep all documentation organized for any future projects. Documenting your experience can also help others navigate the permit process. Following these steps can lead to significant savings and a smoother renovation journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.